Creating automation in ActiveCampaign helps streamline your marketing processes by automating repetitive tasks. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into ActiveCampaign. Access your account at ActiveCampaign's website. Navigate to Automations. Click on the Automations tab in the main menu to enter the Automation Management area. Create a new automation. Click on Create an Automation or New Automation to start. You'll be prompted to choose an automation type, such as a pre-built template or starting from scratch. Set a trigger. Choose a trigger that will start the automation. Triggers can be used on user actions, such as signing up for a list, clicking a link, or a specific date. Configure the trigger details as needed. Add actions. After setting the trigger, add actions to the automation. Actions can include sending emails, updating contact information, adding tags, or moving contacts to different lists. Define conditions and logic. Use if or else conditions to create branching logic based on contact behavior or attributes. This helps tailor the automation to individual needs. Review and activate. Review the entire automation workflow for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Activate to start the automation. Monitor and optimize. After activation, monitor the automation's performance through reports and analytics. Adjust actions and conditions as needed based on performance data.